stage. Our performance feels like we've escaped the cage. Umbrellas clash, it's a carnival fight. Colors spinning in the fading twilight. Together we whirl, defying the stormy cry. Beneath the clouds where the wild hearts fly. Raindrops tattoo secrets on my faded coat. Each puddle's a portal for a paper boat. The wind whistles gossip I try not to hear. It carries the echoes of things we used to fear. Lanterns reflecting in rivers of black. Steps keep moving as there's no turning back. With each leap we break gravity's chain, leaving behind the whispers of pain. Umbrellas clash, it's a carnival fight. Colors spinning in the fading twilight. Together we whirl, defying the stormy cry. Beneath the clouds